Hi everyone, welcome back to my floristry channel. For today's session I'm going to show you how to do hat and handbag corsage sprays. So to start with, I'm going to show you how to do a handbag spray. So as you can see here, I've gathered all my materials together. I'm going to be using this gerbera, and I've literally internally inserted a 0.71 wire and taped it down. And I've got some skinnier japonica. I've used really fine silver wires, single leg mount, half width tape, and I've done one unit of two, and the other two I've done individually. All the rest I've used silver wires, and I've got bear grass. I've taped two together and made one into a loop, again with half width tape. Now that everything's all wired and taped, I'm now going to put the corsage together. So first of all, I'm going to take my gerbera, and then I'm going to add on my one unit of two of skinnier japonica. This method is very similar to if you were to make a corsage, but this is going to be slightly heavier. And I'll pop that to the side. Then I'm going to do the same again on the other side to make it equal. Yeah, any foliages would be suitable. You could use ivy leaves, you could use eucalyptus. These are skinnier japonicas, which I'm going to put together. I'm afraid it's really quite fiddly work, so and they will move about, so good thing about wiring is that they're easy to manipulate if they're not quite where they should be. And then I'm going to add some different levels. So to keep my shape, next thing I'm going to add is my loop of bear grass, and I'm putting it here just with my with the skinnier japonica. Stretch it out a little bit. So with the method, I keep adding on some materials wherever they feel right. And then I'm going to take my loose ends on the other end. And next thing I'm going to take is little wax flowers. And again, I've used half width tape and silver wire. You only ever need heavier wire if you're using standard or heavier materials. I'm going to add one more. Actually add it there. Again, keep your finger and also keep your one finger and thumb on the wires to hold them in place, and since they're taped, it does stick a little bit together. And should I have one more? Might add one more little wax flower here to cover up that space. And next, to decorate my sprays, I've made some simple bows here, and you just pinch it together and add on your wire, and then wherever you feel it needs it. Might lay it down the bottom on this side. Okay, so I would say this handbag corsage or spray is ready to finish off. So now that I've added all